This is my Metabo nailer, and I'm using it for our home renovation project. We're using this nailer specifically to do our baseboards. And the reason that we went with 15 gauge instead of 18 gauge, which is what a finish nail would be, is because we went with very thick, high baseboards. These are 3/4 inch thick, and therefore they're thicker than a regular baseboard. And because they're very flat, you will notice if they are wobbly at all. So the reason that we chose 15 gauge was we wanted the extra grip to make sure that we could really hold these in place, because it would suck if we had done all of our baseboards and then a month down the line, all of the nails failed because they couldn't hold these beefy boys in, and suddenly all of our baseboards look wavy. So we went with 15 gauge, and honestly, I think it was worth it. As someone who is a home improvement, just a DIYer, I don't know anything about anything. I wanted to go with battery powered because I did not want to have to buy an air compressor. And I know that that's silly because they're so helpful and they get used for a lot of things. This project, I have purchased so many tools, and I'm sorry, if I could cut one out and not buy one more thing, cut out an air compressor, I was going to do that. So I went with battery powered, and it has been plenty powerful for me. I don't know, as far as people in the industry, if they would find it as powerful or worthwhile. I get that totally. The portability is kind of a big deal though, and the fact that I can just take it into any room, very helpful. And I wouldn't have to drag out something bigger like an air compressor. But the battery powered has been perfectly fine. Here's the charger. And yeah, it's been awesome. The fact that it comes with a bag is a bonus because, like I said, we're living through a renovation and we have got stuff everywhere right now. So making sure that everything stays together and that in a month I don't go, honey, where did we put the battery for the nailer? I don't have to worry about that because it's all in a bag. So that's also an excellent plus. You can find a link to this nailer in the description.